Next review, Kellogg's Fruit Loops. Pretty good. I think that goes really good with some milk too. And I think I'm gonna have to give that a 9.1 out of 10. If you're watching this on YouTube, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below other reviews I should do. If you're watching this on Instagram and TikTok, please be sure to like, comment, follow. Let me know in the comment section down below other reviews I should do. Oh, and I just downloaded Snapchat, so feel free to add me on there if you want to. And I will see you guys in the next review.